Hello everyone! So I'm going to do a video on how to maintain the colour in my hair because I had a few requests for it. I want to say a few, I mean 2 people, but the rest of you can enjoy it as well. I'm literally just going to be showing you how I dye my hair, what I use. It's not like really professional, so hairdressers, if you're watching this, sorry, you're probably going to hate me, but forgive me, okay? Let's just get into it. Okay, so I'm just going to mix the colours on my bathroom floor. So I'm putting an old towel down. And then I've got my pot. And then I've just got some conditioners here. It's going to be like just the mix, I guess. And then this is the main pink colours I'll be using. And then I've got from the top, so I'm doing my roots this time as well, I've got a darker purplier pink. And then I've got my colours for the rainbow as well, which I'll just do halfway through. Don't forget as well to always put gloves on, otherwise you're going to stain your hands. I always forget to use gloves on some of it. I end up having pink nails and hands for like a week. So for the first colour for my roots, I'm just going to be using this one. I'm not going to mix this one with anything, just because my roots aren't bleached. So I'm just going to literally whack this straight on. I'm just literally going to put it on and brush it through with a little comb and use my fingers to like massage the colour in as well. And I'll show you how I mix the pink after I put this one in. Okay, so all the roots are done now with just the dye. Literally use the whole bottle, just on roots. Now I'm going to do the pink bits, which is like the ends of my hair, and then I'll then go on to the rainbow bit, but I'll show you that. That is literally just basically what I've done with the roots. I just literally put the colour on, massage that in, and then do each colour as we go down. With the pink, I used again the pot, and I put the conditioner in, which is like a mixer to make it a bit lighter. And then I just have to keep mixing as I go along. So I'll show you how I do that, really, really simple. So literally any conditioner will do really. I've just got this one from Superdrug, but I'm just gonna squeeze loads of conditioner in like this. And then get the colour on, plop it on top. And then just mix it all together. You can see it mess on it. Once you mix together, obviously you can see the colour it's going to be, so you can just add conditioner or more dye to get to the colour that you want. You just have to remember how much of each thing that you've used, so obviously when you do need to mix more, you can use like the sort of same measurements to get the same colour. side I've got my roots on, my pink bits and my rainbow bits here. So I'm going to go now and leave it for like usually half an hour to an hour. Go and like eat and watch a bit of TV and stuff with my hair wrapped up, and I'm going to wash it all off. So once it's all washed off, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's the next morning now and I washed my hair. I had to wash it a few times to obviously get all the dye out, but yeah, it's all dry. This is how it's turned out. You can see the burgundy colour at the top of the roots where I didn't have any bleach on, and then the bright pink at the bottoms, and then my rainbow bit, which didn't turn out the best because, me being an idiot, I was supposed to separate it as I washed it, and normally what I'll do is I'll put tin foil over it to separate it from the pink. It still looks okay, it's mainly purple and like a bit orange on this side, but as I normally have it, purple, blue, you know, like a rainbow going down, but it's still fine, it looks good, it's fine. So yeah, this is, you see how easy it is. I would advise not to bleach it yourself at home. Go to the hairdresser if like you haven't been before, if it's not already bleached, don't try and do it yourself. So go there for the first one, get them to do all the bleach and the first bit of colour, and then you can just top up like what I've done at home with like Adore or Arctic Fox, Directions, whatever one works best for you. And it's literally the same with all those types of brands of hair dye. And yeah, like literally as you can see, it's super easy. It doesn't take long. If you have long thick hair like me, obviously it's going to take a little bit longer, but no, it is super simple and easy to do. Yeah, that's literally it. This is all my natural hair. I'm going to film a styling video now so you can see how I style it as well. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you want any more tips or anything, just let me know in the comments, or you can message me on Instagram @StephLeeMead. But yeah, until my next one, see you soon. Thank you for watching.